Hi everyone! This year 2026 is year horse year. So this is a small gift for my friend and colleagues for New Year. You can see this like salad of horse and this is due to the carbon and I package it to gift package, so it's more beautiful than if I gave their um, without background. I already got several friends this wall decor, and they were happy and already hung on the wall. It's easy to print, and it's about 3 mm, maybe 2.5, and one of my friend hung on this item into border, so it was nice. If you want to print the same project, I share with you link and author who created this design. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.